Samsung Focus. Making a notification sound. Okay. This is what I did to cause it to stop. Take a micro USB cord. Plug it up. See, it's not plugged in yet. Makes it stop. So I actually put it into a power adapter, right? Then I'm going to take it out. Close the window. Voila. There you have it. The fix. Bye-bye.